Good morning, guys. For today's video, I think I want to go hit up a couple of Dollar Trees. I just feel like I need to kind of hop around, see what's going down. I'm gonna go to 2 for sure. I'm gonna attempt to go to 3. They're just not that close to each other. Let's aim for 3 anyways. And yeah, so let's go ahead, jump in the car. Comment down below though and let me know if you like this kind of video. One of my favorites actually is my checklist video where I create a checklist of things I want to find at Dollar Tree and then I go hunt them down. Those are really fun. It just seems like such a challenge. I haven't done one of those in a minute, but definitely comment like your favorite style. Like, do you just love them at home where I just do a traditional haul? Do you like it when I do it vlog style where I go to Dollar Tree and then kind of take you guys to the beach or get breakfast kind of thing? Yeah, so just comment, let me know what's your favorite, or look out for other people's comments and then like thumbs up if you like their option too. So anyways, let's just go Dollar Tree hopping, I guess that's what I'm gonna call this, and see what each store kind of looks like. I want to give you guys your daily dose of Loki. Oh, this dog. All right, we're at our first store. I'm actually gonna give myself like a 20 item limit at each store, so we're gonna do a total of 60 items if I make it to the 3rd store. But let's go ahead and go into this first one and see what we can find. And because I'm doing 20 items, I'm not gonna get a buggy, I'm just gonna get a basket. See, I already hauled the plate, but I didn't get the bowls. Like, how cute is that? Like a little mug. They're so cute. Okay, this is coming with me. I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, it looks like they're putting out a bunch of like school supplies already. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Wait, they are actually so precious. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait a damn minute. I was like, why is Miami Dolphin stuff in Texas? Because I'm in Florida. Okay, but what is this? Is this like a pizza container or something? Like, here's the lid. I don't know, it's pretty cool. What's that? It's like a little ticket decor. That is really cute. Okay, I know Dollar Tree put out these really cute cups. Oh my gosh, these are not it, but look at these. What? Look at the blue one. Are you kidding me? Anyways, I know they put some really cute cups out. They're like watermelon or something. I saw it on their Instagram, but I have not seen them at my stores, unfortunately. These are also really cute. Like, look at these colors. Very cute. These are darling. Little table decors. These are so cute. Take them to the beach, to the lake, to the pool even in your backyard if you have like an inflatable pool. These are so cute for like the little kids to kind of play with. I bet it will keep them so busy. Oh my gosh, looks like we got some updated designs on these flower pot huggers. Look at the bee, the gnome, the owl, and the ladybug. Just so cute. Every time I'm just like drawn to these freaking bags, and look at the polka dots today. So pretty. We got the metallic bags. We got the solid colored bags. You know I'm obsessed with these. Oh, they have purple. all of the candles. You always gotta look at the candles because they'll always throw new ones in here. Like, you just never know. All of these cups. Ooh. Star Wars. These little boxes. Oops. These little boxes are so cute because they have like confetti in the lid. That is just so, look at that. Like, how is this $1.25? At Target? No, that'd be way more expensive. Didn't find anything in that aisle that I haven't already hauled 85 times. Always gotta sweep the books. You never know. Got 2 full bags, and yeah, I think it's a little bit more than 20 items, but here we are. Let's go to the next Dollar Tree. Alright, we're at the second location, so 20 items, and let's see what they have. Oh my gosh. Oh, that one's broken. These are so cute. Ooh, wait a minute. They didn't have these at the other one. How cute are these? Get those. Quiet, not good vibes. It's really dark in here too. Like, why am I whispering? I don't know. Well, this is the store that has the tickets. Not all of them carry it. Look at this, a shipment of books. Oh my gosh, I wish I could open those. That's cute. That's cute. You can also use puzzles for junk journaling. You don't have to create the entire puzzle. You can just use puzzle pieces. Oh my gosh. See, look. This store has this piece, whereas my other stores did not. They carry the jet ski and the canoe. So it looks like this is the little, like, swimming pool. Okay, they've got these cute little trash cans. Look at the blue color. These would be great for the car. And these. Oh, these slide out. Yeah, these, like, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, those colors. Oh, what is that? It's so cute. Ooh, look. I have all of these. I don't even remember the last time I got washi. Wait, what's this one? So cute. Look at that. Crafter Square is just really, look, oh my gosh. That's new. I love this little wall decal. I already have it, but I'm obsessed with it. And I literally want to do like an entire little mini junk journal with like this color palette and this little mice theme. Oh, love that. Oh my gosh. What? Look how cute these little night lights are. Oh my gosh, I think they are so cute. Oh my god, they have it. They freaking have it. Oh my god. Alright, we are at the third Dollar Tree and let's grab a basket and see what they have. That's really cute. Love those.
Well, that's okay. You want this out? Okay. Listen, it's all right. Just hello.
Ooh, I have these. That's pretty awesome. This store isn't my favorite. They're smaller. They don't really carry as much as the other ones. But sometimes that's just, they'll throw you a curveball. You know, that's how Dollar Tree is. You just gotta pop in and see if you can find anything. I mean, they have great stuff, but like, I've hauled it all, you know? Also, for my Jeep owners, look, they've got little rubber duckies at Dollar Tree. They also have them in blue and pink somewhere, maybe in the baby section, but they have them. They also have cute little frogs. I'm seeing a lot of these waggles. I don't know what this is, but I'm seeing a bunch of it here. Is it that some cartoon or something? Oh, look at this. Outdoor furniture. A little lounge chair. See, this store has the jet ski and the canoe. The last store we just went to didn't have these, but they had the swimming pool. You just never know. Look how cute these little babies are. Already, ooh, what? How cute. What is this? Oh my gosh. I love these little squishy toys. Like, this is their sticker section. It's pretty small. Some are bigger, some are smaller. I really don't know. I'm starving though, like I am kind of rushing through the store because my stomach is eating itself.